Okay, hello. My name is Sudan Shrestha. My student ID is 235212. And in this video, I am going to demonstrate the portfolio session 4 tasks. So let me share my window first. Okay. Okay, so I guess I have shared my entire screen. Uh, so this is portfolio session 4, and I have two tasks to complete. And there is two project, so I have to demonstrate the this project and record a video with my face and audio. So project one states that I have some data set, and I have to maximize the profit from that data set. So here in project one, so I have the list of books title and its weight respectively, and its cost respectively, and the sales price respectively. So here in the table, like I can see Harry Potter and Deathly Hallows J.K. Rowling's book name, which weight like £5 and cost like $9, and sale price would be like $17. So here is Children of Heroin by J.R.R. Tolkien, which weighs £4 and cost will be £8 and sale price will be $13. Sorry, dollar. So you can see all the list here. So I will not take the time to tell all these things. So from this table, what I have to do is I have to choose maximum of three author books. So I can choose like 20 books or fewer. Uh, and I have to between 4 and 8 books from each author. So we can take 4 to 8 books from each author. In that book will ultimately weight 50 pound, not more than 50 pound. So I have to follow this thing and implement this thing to the required data set, that is the AYK8 data Excel file. So now uh, I will download this data set first. I will open the data set. Okay, so this is the data set, and I will enable it and go to this maximize profit. So here is the table. So total weight must be equal to 50 pound. So we can maximum book will be 20 books or less per box. So we have to choose 20 books maximum. So three different authors must be in the box, and between 4 and 8 from each of the authors. So right now what we can do is okay, like number of books we can add initially one for all the required thing. This is just for right now. So the profit will be, we can use the formula. It's called to uh, if you buy Harry Potter, the sale price minus the cost price, enter. So we can drag and drop. So this will be the profit per book. So total profit will be, let's say, if I take one book per box, then it will be like um this value multiply by this value. Enter this. So the total profit will be one book. The total profit will be 8 right now. So this will drop all this, and this will be the total profit. And for total weight, like we can use the formula is equal to uh, the number of books multiply by the weight. Enter. So like we can track this. So this will be the total weight. So like we have to maximize the total profit. So like um, let's say use formula like it's called to sum. So I will sum all these row from here to here to to like display the total profit. So now right now if I choose like uh, uh one book each, so I will get like $24 in profit. So let's calculate the weight too. So like weight will be 19 pound. So like okay, so like we can see this. So like we can add like like if like 8 books. So Harry Potter book profit is high than others. Like if we take 8 books, then we get profit 80, but the total weight will be 54. So that is over exceeded the weight limit. So like let's take 7, and like I will like remove all these, make it none. So if I take 7 books, the profit will be 56, total weight will be 35. So uh, okay, this is the uh, table. So there is the profit per book, and this is the total profit, and this will be the total weight. So like we have the condition, we have to choose between 4 and 8 books, author books. So let's say the Harry Potter have the highest profit per book. So like we can take uh, 4 to 8 books in the box. So if we take like maximum of 8 books, we get the profit of $64, and total weight will be 4. So we still can add like 10 pounds in the box. So like if we add another book, like we can have to add like um, like 4 books or 4 to 8 books. If we add like 8 books maximum, surely the weight will like exceed the limit, that is 50 pound. So let's say like if we add like 4 books, which is minimum, still we get exceeded. Similarly, like we add 4 of the Chronicle of Narnia, it will again exceed. So like if we like okay, add 4, so it will like okay, like 44 pounds, so still we can add 6 pound. Like let's say add this like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So still we get like 54 pound. So like we have to like add 3 books, 3 kind of books, 3 different kind of books between 4 to 8. So after choosing this, the weight will be exceeded. So like we cannot take eight eight Harry Potter books. So let's take seven. So like uh, total profit will be 56 pound and weight will be 35. So we can add like four um Lord of the Ring book. So weight will increase. Okay. So like we cannot choose this one. We can just have to choose this one. So again, like 72. So like if you choose six Lord of the Ring book and like four sorry, six Harry Potter book and like four Lord of the Ring book, we can get like total weight 46. Like at the end, we can add this book, uh, Winkle in Time 4. So like from this scenario, we have like three different books. Harry Potter's six Harry Potter books, which is between 4 and 8. Four Lord of the Ring books between like it's four, between 4 and 8, and four Winkle in Time book, which is four. So like we can get the maximum profit of 76 and total weight will be 50. So this will be the perfect scenario for this project one task. Okay, thank you mm, for this. Thank you. Okay, like I would like for the second task, like the xmark.com is a major internet company specializing in organic food. So that company is thinking of purchasing Good Grow company. That is another organic internet company. So, so the Good Grow has current revenue of 100 million with expenses of 150 million, and current projection indicates that the Good Grow revenue are increasing at 35% per year, and its expenses are increasing by 10% per year. So like from this, like we can have to calculate the how many years it will take for the break even, like profit in expense will be like like exact. So profit minus expense will be zero. That will be the break even point, and we have to like calculate how many years to get to how many years it will take of that company to get that break even point, break even, let's say year. So for this, I have like data set AKYK 13 data Excel. So let's download it from here. Okay, like I will open this file. Sorry, same file. Okay, I will minimize this. Okay, this is the file. Okay, I will enable editing this. Go to educate acquisition. So like, okay, this is uh, uh, the file I have downloaded from the given source. So we can see the worst case, and we can see the expected case, and we can see the best case. So in worst case, the revenue is like one. Okay, revenue is this, and expenses is this. Revenue growth is 0.2%, like expense growth is 0.1%. So like for this, like let's say, let's assume one per year. It's just initial assumption. Like like for this expected revenue, so like we can use the formula. It's called to the expected revenue is this plus expected revenue is this multiply by the revenue growth in the year. So that will be the our formula. So this will be the expected revenue of the first year. Similarly, we can like um, use the formula for the expense, and the expense will be expense plus expense multiplied by expense growth multiplied by the year. So this will be the expected expense in first year. So to find the break even, like we can easily like subtract expense from revenue. So this is the expense, and this will be the revenue. So like from this we can like see that the company in the bad condition, like it has in minus. So if we increase this by year, like two, still is not break even. Like we can use 5 years, it's still not break even. If we like give it, still it's not break even. And if we give 10, okay, so this is we can get the break even point. So from that, we can easily see that the company will take 10 years to get a break even point. From after the 10 years, the 11th year, the company will be in profit. Okay, so for the worst case scenario, this will be the thing. So for the expected scenario, like again, we can use one as a initial year. We assume some year, like we can calculate the revenue too. Expected revenue will be revenue plus revenue multiply by growth revenue multiply by year. So this is will be this, and then after for the expected expense, we can like is equal to expense plus expense multiply by the expense growth multiply by the year. So this will be the uh, expected expense. So total profit will be the revenue minus expected expense. So like, so we get the negative in profit. So first year we didn't get any profit. Let's say 5. Okay, boom. Uh, After 5 year, this is the break-even point, and after break-even point, and like like in the 6 year, we can get profit from that company. So similarly, for the best case scenario, if for the best case scenario we have the revenue growth 0.6 0.6 and expenses growth is 0.3. Let's assume like initial year will be 1. Expected revenue will be revenue plus revenue into revenue growth into year. Okay. For expected expense is equal to like we can add expense plus expense into expense growth into year. Okay. So for the profit, we can like subtract expense from the revenue. So still, for this best case scenario, still for the 1 year of completion, we are like in negative profit. So if you keep 2 year, still negative. 3 year is still negative. Let's try it 4 year, positive. So like the break-even year will be like in between 3 and 4. Let's try it 3.5. Oh, still we get profit. Okay, let's say 3 point, okay, 3.33. Still profit. Okay, 3.333. Still negative of -3, minus um, negative $50 and extra 3, still negative dollar. We can keep still negative. So this will be fine, I guess. So for the best case scenario, like it takes like a 3.333 years for the to get the break-even point, and for the expected case, it will take like 5 years. For the worst case, it will take 10 years to get the break-even um, point, neither profit nor loss. From that year, we get profit, and below that year, we get loss. So this is the expected scenario, and I guess I have fully demonstrated all the things in this video. And like this is, I like to conclude this video by demonstrating this. Uh, so now I will stop this here, and thank you so much for listening to this. Thank you so much.